there's no way out.
That's the thing about walk-away money. You gotta be able to walk away.
At the stop sign, turn right onto South Lowell Boulevard. Then at the next light, you'll turn left. At the light, turn left onto US Highway 285 South.
Just Nick and Little John.
Clothing, man, we getting some exclusive shit, boy. So let's get it. Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, bro, I'm Fat Beezy. Yeah, bro, nice to meet you, bro. Yo, Louisville, bro, clothing out here in Denver, bro, exclusively. It's the only place you can get it, bro. Great materials, man. Right now, he's about to pop out with some one-up-one. Yo, he's gonna have one Fat Beezy.
Man, I was the Colorado 95 North exit. Then you'll take a slight right onto the Colorado 95 North, Sheridan.
Now they're gonna cut it down. You can only make X amount. They used to give you like what, $5,000-$6,000. Now they're gonna cut that thing down to like $1,500, $200.
Man, I ain't that low.
But they cut it. Because Matt Wright said the same thing.
Listen, you know what? My guy Tremo.
Slight right onto the Colorado 95 North ramp.
He told me this a long time ago as far as the YouTube and all that. There's peaks and valleys to it.
Okay.
So he's always
Continue on Colorado 95 North for 1.5
take a look at that
miles.
money and put it up.
Yeah.
Because you don't know when the algorithm might change.
When they gonna change the algorithm, they gonna change. They change.
And they don't call you and say, hey, we'll let you know next month you ain't making 80.
No.
You're gonna make 2,500.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So you gotta, with that, I feel like, you know, and it's real. If you're a social media influencer and you're doing all of that, you're making the money, take
Money.
We're outside Fat Beezy, you know, we gotta pull up on one and only Goonsville Clothing, man. We getting some exclusive shit, boy. So let's get it. Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, bro, I'm Fat Beezy.
Yeah, bro,
nice to meet you, bro. Yo, Goonsville, bro, clothing out here in Denver, bro, exclusively. It's the only place you can get it, bro. Great materials, man. Right now, he's about to pop out with some one-of-one. Nobody's gonna have that Fat Beezy. So let's see what's up. Dude, what the fuck?
Dude.
Taco Bell, turn left into the parking lot. Then your destination will be on the left.
Oh, good.
After Taco Bell, turn right into the parking lot. Your destination is on the left.
Of course, it's a Nissan. That's what she said. What?
Thanks for choosing Taco Bell. Will you be checking in with the mobile app today?
No, ma'am. Let me get the Mountain Dew midnight dirty sip, medium. That's gonna do it.
You said a Mountain Dew Baja Zero.
The Mountain Dew midnight dirty sip.
Anything else for you?
That's gonna do it.
Put on hold up.
All right. That sounds intense, bro. Dirty sip. Also got a grub hub for Raymond. No charge? Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate you.